Yeah, we'll go for the.
हाँ, तो ये जो 4 दिन का जो भी जर्नी रहा ना, दिस इज टाइम टू शाइन ना, इट इज योर टाइम टू शाइन नाउ. टिल डेट, till 4 दिन में you would have seen all the teachers we have been speaking and you have been contributing. Now this is your time. Now you speak and we will hear you out now. You shine out now. You share your experience. 4 दिन में क्या हुआ? How was your life before? And what has happened during these 4 days? Just open up and share whatever you feel like sharing. Huh? So we will start with, who would like to start? Sonali ji, you want to start? Yeah.
Before I started this course, honestly, I didn't know what to expect. I had no expectations, but I knew I wanted to get somewhere. I was really very disturbed before we started this course, and I was seeking for some teka mantar dela. I wanted to hold on to something, and after this, while during this course, and now this when this course has ended, I'm feeling so much, calmer, happier, and more confident. And I know what I want to do now. And, I think I can handle situations much better now
Very
with the
nice.
help of all of you.
Wonderful, Sonali ji. Amazing. Very nice experience. Who would like to share their experience? Pawan. Pawan called me a few days back. Pawan, bhaiya, aisa ho raha hai, wo ho raha hai. Yeah, go ahead, Pawan. You shine out. Tell us
Hello
what has
all,
happened.
my name is Pavan. I called to sir, I think so last week. That time I was suffering a lot of stress and worrying about anything. But now I'm feeling too much better and too much good, and I'm feeling happy. And now I can understand how to handle a situation and how to handle fear to in environment. So that's a very great experience. And thank you so much, sir, giving and all team giving me this good opportunity. Thank you so much.
Very good, Pawan. Very nice. Who wants to share next? किसको करना है अपना experience share? We have um, Amarji, you want to share your experience? Please switch on your video, unmute yourself, and you can share your experience. Yes.
Yeah, Someshwarji, thank you very much for this organizing this 4 days. And I would like to thanks everybody like Anjali ma'am, Sangeeta ma'am, Kalpana ma'am, Shubhangi ma'am, Vaishali ma'am. Thanks all of you for this all 4 days. We enjoyed a lot. I just wanted to share that I started to awake at 6 o'clock because of these 4 days. I just started to awake at 6 o'clock, and definitely these all 4 days will be very helpful for us throughout our life. And I decided to do this. I did not remember that someone told do it for 41 days, and it will be a habitual. It will be a habit for you. So I started. I decided to do it continuously for 41 days, and definitely I would like to see the result after 41 days.
Amazing.
So thanks a lot, everybody, and we enjoyed this very much. Thank you.
Very good. Thank you. Thanks for sharing. Yes, we will all do together. Amirji, we are all with you. हम लोग ग्रुप साधना में जुड़ जाएंगे. आपको ऐड किया जाएगा ग्रुप में where we do daily sadhana. We can do it together. Amazing. Thanks for sharing, Amarji. Who would like to share next? We have Dipali ji also with us. Dipali ji, can you unmute yourself? हा, अनम्यूट करून तुम्ही तुमचा एक्सपिरियन्स शेअर करू शकता. तुम्ही सध्या म्यूटवर आहात. या अनम्यूट करावं लागेल स्वतःला. येस, या गो अहेड. ठीक, या.
बहुत अच्छा लगा सर.
बहुत अच्छा लगा ना. वेरी नाइस, गुड गुड. और किस कौन शेयर करना चाहता है? हु वी हैव हियर? We have Abhinav. Abhinav, you want to share? Sujata ji, yes. You just share with your gesture. Sujata is such a patience, ना. उनका technical problems की वजह से you just focus, sir, and you express सारा डमशराट जो है ना, you express everything with your gesture. We are not able to hear you, but we could see your gesture and
yeah,
your.
She has typed it in the chat. If she says, if you just read it out, and she will do it like this.
Wow, Sujata ji ne diya hai. Today I feel so blissful and so lighter. Thank you so much. gratitude and happiness and joy. Thank you so much, Sudhari. Nice to have you. Wonderful. वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस एक्सपीरियंस। देखो शेयर करने का देखो मन है इतना, मतलब आवाज से नहीं पहुंच पा रहे तो चार्ट से कुछ ना हो, जेस्चर से पहुंच जाए, लेकिन वो ग्रेटिट्यूड, वो एक्सप्रेशन इज स्टिल कमिंग थ्रू। वेरी नाइस, थैंक्स सुजाता जी, वेरी नाइस। या अभिनव, प्लीज गो अहेड, शेयर योर एक्सपीरियंस।
Before going to it, I was searching on the Google. I'll share my thorough experience. I was searching on the Google. Means a lot of things I have heard. Even my friends suggested me you can just try. But I mean, usually I don't really like to go for this thing. But because we always consider, and as a young, we always consider that we are fine internally, mentally, and physically we are fine. But means we have a lot of means I have a lot of work pressure. Means everyone aware about it. So sir, he's also belongs to IT. So there are a lot of work pressure that we need to we just have to just let.
You went on mute, Abhinav. Yeah, go ahead.
Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you. Go ahead.
Yes, so I spoke to sir, and he told me he just gave a thought in a very, in a very smooth manner. So it's just like it is nothing, like stressing out something or taking out things on the mind is very easy. So which was I was not really able to figure out. It was really easy because so since the first 2 day I have attended the session, I think I already had enough. So I was really feeling very positive and confident that I think this is what it is. And yes, means like we always have a problem of overthinking. I think that is somewhere I figured out finally that we should not do that. And I'm really hoping to see you in a classroom, I guess, because that is something that's energy and that sync will come, and that vibes that we will hoping to experience when we meet everyone together in some classroom or somewhere. So I think that would be the best thing that I would miss. I'm very sure that we will feel that energy that we are from the 4 days we are talking about. We can feel it in a person. So that is something.
Absolutely, definitely। देखो कुछ ना कुछ कनेक्शन जरूर है अभिनव, वी आर ऑल कनेक्टेड ना, जस्ट वो रियलाइजेशन नहीं होता है अपने को। वी आर ऑल कनेक्टेड विद सो ईच अदर ना, जो गुरुदेव बोलते हैं ना, वसुधैव कुटुंबकम, वन वर्ल्ड फैमिली। कहीं के पे अपनी नार कहीं ना कहीं जुड़ी हुई है, वही दैट इज व्हाट यू आर एक्सपीरियंस। अभी क्या हो गया, लॉन्गिंग क्रिएट हो गया मन में ना कि नहीं नहीं अभी मिलना है, क्लासरूम में मिलना है, वी हैव टू मीट टुगेदर समवेयर, वी हैव टू मीट। आई एम टेलिंग यू फॉर श्योर ना, गुरुदेव सुन रहे हैं, प्रकाश तो हो जाएगा, गुरुदेव भी डेफिनेटली ही वांट्स टू मीट यू, ही इज आल्सो लॉन्गिंग टू मीट यू। बोलते गुरुदेव बोलते मुझे हर किसी के पास जाना है, हर किसी के पास मुझे पहुंचना है। तो डेफिनेटली हम लोग एक साथ भी मिलेंगे और सब लोग जाके गुरुदेव से भी मिलेंगे हम लोग। Thanks for sharing your experience, Abhinav.
Actually, sir, I really feel that it should be our daily activity, like अपन जैसे daily routine होता है, it should be our daily routine now, and we should always keep a 1 hour bandwidth in every morning, early morning, so we can meet together and we can perform these very spiritual acts that these are yogas and all these things. So I think this will certainly make a way for us to lead a peaceful life and a happy life, for sure.
Amazing thought. बहुत बढ़िया thought है।
Sadhana. Yeah, we have a daily sadhana starting 6:30. Na, we do group sadhana. You can join that, and so that we can continue at least for a few days. Because what happens now, you're kind of happy, fresh. That state of mind will stay for some time, and then somehow we missed it. Okay, ठीक है, चलने दो. So just to continue on this path, initially you need some effort. So that discipline will need it. You can join the.
Yeah, I really appreciate all the people, all the team that who have guided through us and gave us a lot best experience. And I'm really hoping to see it learn again. I just wanted to go in deep on on spirituality, because when this the meditation that I have done, this is for the first time in my life in the 28 years. Means if you consider it, the people matured enough at the age of the 14, right? So it's been like 14 years for me to realize that meditation is something that really helps. And
what an experience there.
I never used to do it because I used to be a professional cricketer. Even at that time, also I never used to do that because I really considered it as, I think this is something not I needed. But I feel, because I'm now a professional, I'm working professional, so I feel I need some options. So I came here because of some options. So and the thing is, when I did that meditation, that Sangeeta taken. Thoughts and people thoughts, that was amazing. Means the first 2 days were like I just was in the different space that I already shared with sir. So it was really a best experience for me. Means it was very lighter mind. Means I never felt that lightness, and never felt in my life throughout the life. Never.
Very good, Abhinav. Thanks for sharing your experience. I'm sure this will help bringing a lot of more people to Art of Living. They will hear you out as a young
Sure.
student, and they will definitely follow you. It is our responsibility to bring people in knowledge. Do share your experience, just like you shared it here. Just go out and spread your happiness around. Who else we have here? We have Sharangi with us. Sharangi, you want to share? Please unmute yourself. Share your experience. Shine out. It's your time.
Yeah, hi. Madhav?
Yeah, you're on mute. Yeah.
Put in his mail kind of like life is
Yeah.
simple and
तुमचा आवाज येत नाही, थोडं जोरात बोलता का?
life is
Can
simple unless we complicate.
Otherwise, you can put it in the chat. आप chat में लिख सकते हो. That is also fine.
yeah, just speak out if it is okay. Otherwise, you can put it in chat. Go ahead. Little bit louder you speak. थोडं जोरात बोला फक्त बस. बोला.
So there is a statement like life is simple unless you complicate. So that I like understood
Wow.
clearly in this session.
What Sharanji said is that actually life is very simple unless you complicate it. No, life बहुत actually आसान है, but हम लोग unnecessary इसको complicate बना. Very nice thought. Very nice thought, Sharanji. Very wonderful. Who else we have here? Any of our participants have left. They have not shared yet. Everybody. Sujata ji is done. Marij is done. Dr. Alpana ji also repeated. Dr. Alpana ji, you want to say something about your experience? Please share it. We are recording it. Please share your experience. Go ahead.
Yes, so Mr. Ji, I have my lots of gratitude to all of you wonderful teachers. You know, it's the first time I'm coming across such a 5-6 teachers. I think 1, 2, 3, 6, 7 teachers. You're all together and explaining beautifully. You know, the 7 layers of existence. Each layer with the act, with the various stories. You have beautifully explained. It is touched my heart, mind, everywhere. You know, I have not been to like such a experience, and I mean, you all are very much wonderful to me right now. Even that satsang, you know, satsang by Vaishali madam, it was very nice. Even I felt that I should do also some satsang. I mean, I do. I mean, that time only I felt, although I repeated with her, that's there. This is in your course, you have to do. And early morning today by Kalpana ma'am, that exercise, it was amazing. You know, various parts moving and all. Early morning, if we do, really will become flexible. As I was talking, I have put on weight. I think by doing all these exercises and all, I should reduce. I'll reduce. And that's all. And I felt all of you are very wonderful teachers. I should remain with you, and you should take me along also with your group sadhana or satsangs and all. I want to be along with you. And I heard yesterday that Pune, you have Guruji's ashram.
Yes, we have Triveni Ashram here with us. तो उसके बारे में भी डिटेल में बताएंगे सबको इनको ना. We have been blessed with one ashram here. पुणे में अपना एक खुद का आश्रम है, तो वहाँ पे भी जाके हम लोग एडवांस कोर्सेज वगैरह कर सकते हैं. We will pass on all the information to everybody.
But there is no ashram in Mumbai. I think it may be the lack of place, I mean, area and all. I just, it just touched me, you know, yesterday there are some satsangs.